Ever wondered why noise could be your best friend? Meet white and brown noise. First up, sleep. Struggling to catch those Z's? White noise can mask disruptive sounds, helping you drift into dreamland. Next, focus. Brown noise is your go-to for blocking out distractions, perfect for studying or working. Thirdly, relaxation. Both noises can soothe an anxious mind, making them great for winding down after a hectic day. Fourth, tinnitus relief. Annoying ringing in your ears. White noise can provide relief by drowning it out. And lastly, meditation. Brown noise can deepen your meditation practice by creating a serene soundscape. So whether you need to sleep, focus, relax or meditate, white and brown noise have got you covered. Give it a try.